and today I'm gonna do something different for you. I'm gonna try out the new Kat Von D Super Brow, as you can see here, and I'm gonna do a little bit of a different look that I enjoy. So I really hope you like this video. Let's start the tutorial. I'm gonna do my right eyebrow in the blue shade. I never tried these before. This is the first time, so I'm excited. They are very smooth. Like, they're very easy to work with. This is gonna be interesting. The blue one was a lot more pigmented than this one, but I think it's buildable. This was a little bit harder to get on the hairs because I have kind of dark hairs. Okay, this can be really cool. So I'm gonna do pinkish here and turquoise here, but I'm not sure if these are safe to use on your eyes. And I have important meetings in this, like in the week, so I don't feel like I want anything on my eyes that shouldn't be there. So I'm thinking of using Laguna from the Tropic palette from Natasha Denona on this eye, and then something else on the other eye. Let's start with priming the eyes. I'm gonna use Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer. Looks like this. It's a very cute little thingy. I'm gonna go dab it on with my finger first, and then I'm gonna blend it out with a brush. So I'm going to use the Full Spectrum palette from Urban Decay, and I'm going to use the shade Bump, that is white, underneath my eyebrow, and just to soften it up a little bit. Okay, so next eye, I am going to stick with the Full Spectrum palette. I'm going to use the shade Gossip, that is magenta pink-ish. So I'm basically doing the same thing on this eye. I really like this combination. This one I don't know, but this one is cool. As eyeliner, I'm gonna use Star Stamp liner from The Body Shop. I'm going to use Fornax from the Infinity palette to fade those wings a little bit. I'm going to do some mascara, and then I'm going to apply false lashes. I am going to apply the Sasha 11, I think it's the Sasha 11 lash from Huda Beauty. I'm using the glue from House of Lashes. So the interesting thing right now is like what kind of lip would go to this look. I have no idea. I'm actually gonna do a thing to lighten up the eyebrows a little bit. I'm gonna use light core crayon to paint them white, the hairs, and then I'm gonna go over again with the magenta brow, the Super Brow, to make it pop more. And it works. It actually gets a little bit lighter. Oh, I love it. I'm not sure, maybe I'm gonna do some dots and stuff. I'm gonna do something fun today. So I'm gonna use a brow pomade to create small dots And I'm gonna do the opposite on the other, so I'm gonna do the pink dots here. I am going to do some blush. I'm gonna use Pinwheel from the Infinity palette, and I don't know what I'm gonna use on my lips. It feels like, I am gonna use Girlactic matte lip paint in Bashful. But I want to mix it with something to make it more like cool toned. Here is from Too Faced Freshly Baked. That is a bit cooler. I'm gonna do some highlight as well. So I'm using Milky Way from the Infinity palette to top off this whole look. Alright guys, so what do you say about this look? Do you like it? Do you think it's fun when I do something different, or do you want me to do more neutral looks? Because I feel like I really enjoy doing these kind of looks, but I feel like you also kind of want more natural, neutral looks that are easier to wear in real life. But I find this more fun. So I really hope you liked this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you again next time. Bye guys!